Good morning, one and all. In today's lecture, we will learn next point, that is about the DOS commands. Now, which are the different DOS commands? MKDIR, CHDIR, RMDIR, tree. So these are some of the commands that has been listed for your curriculum. Now, there are lots of commands are present, and these commands will be get executed from your command prompt. Now, basic use of executing this command is that you can do the functionality without using GUI also. So normally we are habit of using GUI. Through one click we can do anything. So without using GUI, if you have only command based operating system, then DOS based operating system, then also you can do everything with the help of these commands. So first of all, you should be familiar with this command. How to execute command you should know, then you can perform it. Now the first command is a MKDIR command. MKDIR, its name is indicating MK means make. Now what we are making? We are making the directory. What is a directory? Directory, it is a folder that contains multiple, it can contain multiple folders, or it can contain any files also. So for example, let's go to some directories, then you will understand. Now here you can see chapter 2, this is one directory. Here online submission, this is another directory. If we go to the chapter 2, you can see there are the different files are present. Even you can create a subdirectory within that. So folder, it is nothing but a directory, and we can make a directory with the help of this UI. And second way, that we can use command prompt to making directory or to create a directory. Now how to create this directory? What is the syntax? That just we have to write down MKDIR and name of the directory. In this example you can see MKDIR directory 1. Now here the directory 1 will be get created with the help of this MKDIR, and just you can check it with the help of the dir command. Now next one, suppose you want to create three different directories or more than one directory, then we can use md command. So write down md user1, user2, user3. These three different folders, these three different directories will get created with the help of this md command. Suppose we want to create a directory with different words, and there is a space between these words as in a single directory, then we have to use a double quote, and within the double quote write down this name of the directory. In this example you can see md and in double quote my example directory. So here only a single directory will be get created with this name having a spaces. So in this way you can create a directory. Now let's go to the command prompt. Let's see, this is a command prompt, and in this command prompt just we have to create a directory. Now write down MKDIR for making the directory, and suppose I want to create directory 1, press enter. Now dir1 as in directory 1 get created. Now how to check it? So write down dir, this is another command which contains the list of directories within that particular current folder. So here you can see dir1, this directory has been created with the help of the MKDIR. So in this way you can create a directory. Suppose you want to create multiple directories with the help of md command, you can write it down. So first of all, clear the screen. You can clear the screen with the help of CLS. So if you type CLS, so then it will get clear. And in case of Linux, you can write down clear. So right now we are talking about the Windows command. MKDIR, just we have seen that we can create a single directory. Suppose we want to create multiple directory, that we have seen in theory, user1, user2 and user3. Then press, after pressing enter you can see there are the three directories has been created, user1, user2 and user3. Another we have seen that we can create a directory single directory which is having different words and there is a space between these words. So let's see that example. So here MKDIR, you can see there is a space, and with that a single directory has been created with this MKDIR. Now you can check it with the help of dir command. So type here dir, press enter. You will see here somewhere as an MKDIR, or simply just we can go to that particular directory, the cd user1 for example, then you are in the user1 directory. Okay, first of all let's clear the screen, cls. Okay, so right now you are in the user1 directory. Go back with this CHDIR. To check that my directory is created, then we can switch to cd MKDIR. Now you are in the MKDIR directory. So all these directories has been created. Second way, that simply through this UI also you can check whether this directory is created or not. So in this way these directories are created, multiple directories with the MD command, MKDIR command for the creating single directory, and to create a single directory with the spaces, then use the MD and then name of that directory within the double quote. Then next command, let's see, that is about CHDIR. So CHDIR, DR for this is about the directory command, and CH it is for the change. So it stands for change directory. It is used to switch between the directories. So you can go back one level, or you can go back to the root level directory, or you can switch between the different folders. So that is the use of CHDIR. Even with the help of CD command also you can do it. So there is an alternative. So if you type the CHDIR, then it will display the current directory. Just we have seen that one. For example, I have typed here CHDIR. Then in the CHDIR, you can see it is showing the current directory path. And with these two dots, it goes back to the one level directory, to the up to the admin. So here you can see CHDIR slash, so it goes to the highest level directory, to the root directory, dot dot, it goes to the one level back. So go to the higher level directory, CHDIR slash, just enter. Now see C drive, this is your highest level root directory. So before C, if you want to go, it's not possible because this is one of the partition, C drive. So you can go to the highest level directory with this slash, backward slash. And to go back to one level, then just we have to type here two dots. And suppose you want to switch to a particular drive, particular directory, then write down CHDIR and the name of that particular directory. So CHDIR Windows over here. So here it will switch to this window directory. Now here we can switch to different directories, as we can find it out which are the different directories. So in C drive you can see these are the different directories. So we can switch to CHDIR, and suppose I want to switch to Turbo C3, then write down Turbo C3 and press enter. Now you are in that current directory, Turbo C3 directory. Even you can see the content by typing dir, and then you will get the list out of this Turbo C3. So that is about the CHDIR command. The next command that we can see, third command, it is about the RMDIR command. Its name is indicating RMDIR for removing the directory. So you can remove the empty directory with the help of the RMDIR command. And syntax is RMDIR and just write down the directory path directory and it will be get deleted. If your directory it is not empty one, then you have to use another command. If it is containing some data, then del tree command it is used to remove the full directory or containing some data within the directory. So we can try this RMDIR command. Let's go to the CMD command prompt. First of all, clear the screen. How to clear the screen? CLS command. So just type here CLS. Okay, now you can see it properly. CLS now. Just go back to our own CHDIR and then slash. So it's C drive. And our directory is CHDIR. You can write down in capital letter also these commands, CHDIR, and then which drive I think uses in users admin CHDIR admin, and in admin I think we have created some drive directories. So let's check dir. Let's delete this one, RMDIR and dir1 we have created. So it has been deleted, you can see here. And suppose RMDIR user 1, it is deleted. Just like MD command that we can delete the multiple files, multiple directories. In the same way with this RD command, you can delete the multiple directories and that should be the empty one. So for that you have to write down RD and then name of the directories. For example, now there are the two directories RD and then user1. User1 is deleted, user3. So this will be get deleted with this RD command. We can check it whether it is deleted or not. If suppose if I try to switch to this user1, the system cannot find the path as it is not present. Even through the DR also we can see it. Now there is a list. You can see there is no dir1 or that user 1, 2, 3 directories. So with the help of RMDIR we can delete the directory. Next command, it is about the tree command. It will list out the files and folders in a tree view. Means your high level directory will be at the left side and the subdirectories will be at the right side, so that user can understand that which directory contain which folders, or which is the highest level directory and which is the lowest level directory. So simply type here tree, so it will create tree view. For example, in this theory part it is given over here, you can visualize this one. So C drive containing these are the main folders, and within these main folders you can see there are the subfolder. For example, banners, B tips and CDN, this is the first level, and after the first level CDN containing again these three subfolders. So in that way you can also write it down, but it takes a time. So I am typing the CLS again, and suppose I write tree, press enter. Now you can see it is creating a hierarchical. To the right side it is creating its subfolders, and it will take some time to create whole hierarchy of your C drive of this current drive. Now you can see here it is creating. It will take some time as it contains so much of data within the C drive, containing all these files and folders of operating system, programs and softwares. So in this way you can see here videos, it is a first level, and video containing the capture, it is a subfolder of videos. So user can easily visualize that which folder containing which are the different subfolders and last subfolder, and how many level 1 folder, level 2 folders. So you can recognize it very easily. That is the use of the tree command. So we will stop here. We have learned some commands, and in next lecture we will learn remaining commands. Thank you.